Hello and welcome to Orange You Dirty Auto Detailing, Charlotte County, Florida. When we detail and apply ceramic coating to a vehicle, always remember the door jambs. Now, when we clean the jambs, most of the time we use a ceramic quick detail spray. This can be applied if the jambs are wet or dry. Now, for real dirty jambs, we first power wash them when we're washing the exterior of the vehicle. And here's a little bit of a video clip right now, and you can see them doing it. Now, when you're doing this, you need to be very careful not to get water, of course, on the inside of the vehicle. It takes a lot of practice to learn how to do this. He's being very careful. Then he moves to the back door, and he does the same thing with the jambs. And now he has the door jambs power washed off. Now, the door jambs get the blunt of abuse due to the sliding of your feet in and out. We can help protect it from all the wear and tear. If you have any questions about ceramic coating or auto detailing, please visit orangeyoudirty.com, and we serve all of Charlotte County, Florida. Again, that's dirty.com. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.